Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Rune. So as always, our key level criteria, what we look for is swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So let's go ahead and hop right in. The first level that we can find is a swing high level. We notice these two highs here getting rejected and drastically reversing to the downside. So let's go ahead and plot in a zone for this key level. Now let's go ahead and hop into the weekly. As we can see, price reversed from these three levels here, but I want to see more highs so we can more finely tune this level. So on the weekly, what do we see? Well, let's start off with this level here. We can plot it on the swing lows of these two price bounces right here. And what we notice is that price actually reacted to the same level with these long wicks. And when we seen price come down, we've seen it react around the same level. So what we're actually going to do is draw in a zone for this level. And make sure we color coordinate it for the weekly time frame. So what do we notice? Price came up and we've seen these long wicks kind of react to the same level. As price reversed and came down, we've seen a strong reaction. Price came down, we've seen multiple reactions. As price broke through, we've seen this support area flipped into a resistance area. As price came up, these long wicks and reversed down. So we also notice a key level here. Let's go ahead and draw in a zone. So what do we notice? Well, we can see a reaction here, and we see a reaction here, and we see a reaction here. So we have multiple reactions to the same level, and we can also see some candlesticks here reacting to the same level. Now, what else do we see? We notice a reaction at this level right here. Let's go ahead and plot our key level. So what can we see? Well, we see price coming down and reacting, reversing to our other key level here before getting rejected. As price comes down and reverse off our key level, we see it come up and react to the same key level. So we have multiple support reactions, and then our support flips to resistance right here. As price comes down and comes back up, we see another reaction to the same key level here. Always keeping in mind that price can stall at a level and break right through. So we always want confirmation, like here with this bullish momentum candle. So that's all our key levels plotted on the chart. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you got some value out of it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for daily videos like this.